Okay, so it is Saturday morning today, and honestly, it's been some while since I last filmed. So today I thought of getting back to it again. And for the weekend, honestly, at this point, I don't have any such great plans, but I still thought of filming, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. So without further delay, let's get into the video. I just completed a very good core and did a little bit of cardio as well in my workout today. I have started working out after taking a very long and a very unexpected break. So to start off with, I'm not overwhelming my body or overwhelming my workout schedule. I'm taking and doing more like one step at a time thing with the workouts for now. So yeah, that's more kind of the strategy that I'm following with my workouts lately. But the feeling you get after working out is definitely a 10 on 10.
A few moments later.
It's lunchtime right now, and today for lunch I am having sabzi with some amras, and then I have parathas as well. I'm kind of really hungry right now after the great workout that I did, so it's time to dig into the food now.
2 hours later.
It's been a while since I had my lunch. I need to start cleaning up as well. Like, I need to do the dishes. I also need to vacuum the entire apartment, and I also need to change the bed sheet of the bed. So yeah, cleaning is a really important part during the weekends, because during weekdays again I find like very little time to clean up, and because of that I do make sure that I spend some time cleaning the apartment during the weekend. Finally got done with so many things and so many chores. Not gonna lie, it was definitely a bit exhaustive, but at the same time was much needed. It's a different kind of feel good experience when you have like everything so fresh and clean around. You're kind of person who likes keeping the apartment as clean as possible rather than it being dirty or messy. So I do try to squeeze in time during the weekends to get it as clean as possible. And now I have one more thing left, which is to get my laundry done.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning and I just made myself an iced latte. Lately, I have been trying to reduce my coffee consumption because in the past few months it was spiking up like anything. So now I'm being like very mindful of the days I consume coffee. Next few minutes, I'm just gonna sit by here, relax, and take the morning slow and enjoy my coffee.
A few moments later.
Right now, I'm on my way for some grocery shopping because, of course, no weekend is complete without the essential grocery shopping that we need to do weekly. So, just stepping out for that. Okay, so as you already saw, I'm back, and after that, I also did my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm in the bed already, all ready to sleep and call it a night. I need to make sure that I get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep tonight so that I'm all charged and pumped in for the next entire week. Today, before sleeping, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of reading and also journaling to kind of set the vibe for the next week. That's certainly gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and spending a weekend in my life. That's gonna be it for this video, and if you enjoy watching the video, then you already know the drill. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't already, because that always means a lot. And now I shall see you in the next one.